also quite old. But they didn't get the first road connection until 1988. So the road you see here on our left side, that was their first try. So here they started the construction of the road in 1954, and when they first started the work here, they didn't get any funding from the government. And since most of the workers were locals from Underdal and quite eager to get a road going from Underdal and all the way into Flåm, the workers went into Flåm and stole dynamite from the work on a railroad so you could start to blast the way through the mountain. Later on they got funding, but they also had to shut the work down because they figured it was too dangerous with all the rockfall coming down the mountain. But if you take the length of the road into consideration, it is actually one of the most expensive road projects in Norway, and in today's value it's about 2.5 million euros for that short amount of road. So we like to say it's the most expensive road to nowhere.